Let's check the weight. 213.8 pounds. Look at this little dog. Look at this little dog. It's currently 8:40. I think I fell asleep last night at 9 o'clock. I think I slept for about 12 hours. Look at this. And yet I am still exhausted. Why am I so tired? I don't get it. It's 9:19. Gonna start off the day with a protein bar. It's 9:48. I got breakfast with 1 pound of 90% lean beef. Some potatoes. Well, it's currently 11:54. I just arrived at school. My 2-credit class that's at 12 is no longer in session. I finished that last week, yeah. I only got 9 more weeks of school. And that's it. I'll be done with school for the rest of my life. The only thing I really miss is probably the philosophy classes I'm taking. And the school itself, just because I can literally just chill here all day. There's a gym, there's refrigerators. I'm really gonna enjoy these last couple of weeks as much as I can. I only got 2 classes today. One at 1:20, that's my capstone. And then one at 4 o'clock, and that's one of my philosophy classes. I slept on my left shoulder really weird. Like, it kind of hurts when I move it around, so I'm not gonna do any bench pressing today. Probably gonna do cable flies. Yeah, my sleep has just been off. I don't really know what to do. I don't really know what to say. It's kind of fucked. About to go in the coffee lab right now. Chill in there, drink some coffee, get my reading done for my philosophy class, and then just enjoy the day as much as I can. So I'll catch you guys later. 3:29. I got 2 sandwiches and a couple of dates. It's currently 5:40. About to eat my pre-workout snack. 2 bags of Rice Crisps and some black coffee. I'm surprised the coffee lab still has coffee. Yeah, did my 2 classes. Now I'm done for the today. I started a kinesiology online class, and it fucking sucks. It is the 2nd worst class I've ever taken. The professor's making us do strength training exercises. I was like, okay, that's pretty cool. And I like look at the YouTube videos that she instructed us to do. It's just yoga. And it pisses me off, I'm not gonna lie. It's just, you have to do it this way. You can't do any other exercises. And we're using MyZone. I hate MyZone, but I gotta do it for class. I gotta do it for school. This is why I hate school. I hate college. It's just these classes are so tedious and dumb. The professors don't know what they're teaching. Strength training? You're giving me yoga exercises to do? I don't get it, man. It's funny at the same time, but it pisses me off. I'll try it on these. Maybe drink like 2 cups of coffee. I'm still so exhausted. Yeah. 7 more weeks of school, and next week is spring break. And I'm planning on drinking with a couple of friends. I haven't gotten drunk in like a year, so we only live once. I'm only young for another like 10 years, so I enjoy my time with my friends. Not the best for gym progress, I know, I understand that, but I still want to have fun from time to time. I'm planning on drinking maybe like, I don't know, maybe take like a couple of shots with my friends, play some beer pong. I'll catch you guys when I pose down. It is currently 10:03 and I'm about to eat a couple snacks. But as I was pulling out the snacks from my backpack, I realized that the sandwiches I ate earlier, I had like 2 bites left of one of the sandwiches and I had like 4, maybe 3 dates left. And I was gonna eat it after the gym, but I totally forgot about it. It is what it is. I'll just finish it tomorrow. Here are the snacks. I got 2 beef sticks, granola bar, and a protein bar. 100 calories, 200 calories, and 120 calories for each of these. Here's a total calorie amount. I'll chow down these and probably drink a protein shake and call it a day. 10:22. Gonna eat another protein bar. It's 11:44. I'm gonna end off the day with a protein shake. Boom. Look at the cat and dog. Look at them. What's a cat doing? I'll drink this and go to bed. I'll catch you guys tomorrow.